Guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to use Simplify by Quicken for budgeting. Okay, so first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to open any of your web browser. And if you are using your mobile phone, then you can also download the application from Play Store or App Store. But yeah, I'm just going to use the desktop. So here, just open your web browser and then tap on Simplify. And then you have this first website. So just simply tap on this one. Okay, and then you just have to log into your account, or if you don't have an account yet, then you just have to create it for one. So you can create a Quicken account to access all Quicken products, including the Simplify. So tap out your email address, your mobile phone, and you have to create your password. Okay, so since currently we cannot really open the actual tool because of the subscription. Okay, so here you just have to subscribe to a plan in order for you to access the tool, but still we are going to discuss the features of this one. So Simplify is a budgeting app that helps you track your income, your expenses, and savings in one place. So it is clean, simple, and perfect for beginners who want to stay on top of their finances. Okay, you have to take note of that. So again, you just have to go to their website, and once you're inside of the tool, you will land on your dashboard where you can see your financial overview. Okay, so here I am just going to proceed with the web and mobile. Okay, so here, as you can see, the key features of the finance app is keep everything in one place with connectivity to over 14,000 plus financial institution. You can track your budget and set the custom savings goals and get personalized insights with industry leading reports and cash flow forecasts, manage the balances and performance for your full investment portfolio, and plan for retirement with the intuitive modeling tools. So, this one is perfect for individuals and couples. Okay, so for the business and personal, so for self-employed and small business owners, everything enriched. So all the features on the Simplify Plus can manage both business and personal finances all in one seamless application. So make informed decisions with the business reports for profit and loss, cash flow, and your balance sheet. So stay tax ready with the automatic tracking business and personal categorization and reports for schedules C, E, and F. And you can get paid fast with the built-in invoicing and Stripe payment integration. So this one is perfect for self-employed professionals and small business owners managing business and personal finances separately. And life's essential info in one secure place. So organize your essential information from IDs and pet records to legal and medical documents in one secure hub, and add information in seconds by snapping a photo and uploading directly from your phone. Get organized faster with a pre-built and customizable folders that guide what to add, and share securely with trusted people using rule-based permissions. And of course, it's avoid multiple apps and scattered papers, so manage all of life's important documents and info in one place, and available as a bundle with Simplify or Business and Personal. Okay, so as you can see, when you're going to choose the Simplify or Business and Personal, so you have the features here. So you'll have your reference. So for the Quicken Business and Personal, this one is best for self-employed and small business owners, and you have the access to all of the features of this tool. Okay, so yeah, as you spend your money, Simplify automatically categorizes your transactions, but you can also, edit categories if needed. For example, change the miscellaneous, the food, or transport. So this section, tracking your expenses, this helps keep your budget accurate. So let's proceed to the personal finance. Okay, so right here, you can visualize your income, bill subscription, and savings, and always know how much you have available after expenses. So you can treat yourself guilt free or route it to a rainy day fund, no guesswork required. Okay, so this is how it looks like using the application. So let's just see how the budgeting works. So budget with as much or as little detail as you like. No matter how you budget, you'll get unique insights and you won't find anything else. Okay. So as you can see, Simplify keeps tracks of your income, your expenses, your savings goals, and any other spending throughout the month. So in real time, so you always know what you have available and use any budgeting method you like. So, Quicken adapts to any system. Zero sum, so envelope 50, 30, 20, so anything. Or just use what they built. Either way, you'll always know what's left to spend or save. So, include your savings goals in your budget. Okay, so for example, okay, this is how it looks like. So, for your friend's birthday or for holiday gifts. So when you add your savings goals to your monthly budget, Quicken will help you make sure that they are covered automatically. Okay? And find easy ways to save, discover bills and subscriptions you don't need. So see all your recurring bills and subscriptions in one convenient list. Easily identify and flag anything you're not using so you can cancel it and save it. Now, how does the spending plan work? So, first, your complete financial world all in one place. So, with and much 14,000 financial institutions supported, the Quicken boosts industry leading connectivity to manage each of your accounts with up to date transactions and balances for each. Next is to get personalized budget automatically. So it set up your monthly spending plan based on your actual income and bills, change anything you like, and add other spending too, like gas and groceries. Next is create your own categories, tags, and flags. So Quicken comes with a full set of categories built in. So make any changes you like and add custom tags and flags to see and manage your spending however you want to. Next is to roll over your extra spending or savings into next month. So, was your grocery bill higher than expected? Did you spend less on gas? Roll your overspending and savings into next month if you want to. So, the choice is yours. So, just, bonus tips, check your budget at least once a week. Keep categories simple. Do not stress about small mistakes, just adjust. And consistency is the key. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.